when Jim says to buy your largest position.
Damn hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, 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 hustling. Every
Welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. What's going on? It's your boy Ski. And today we have a banger daily market news and analysis coming at you live. Back, finally, in the Batcave. Back to your regularly scheduled program. So without any further ado, let's bring the action. All right, breaking. Vitalik upgrade has taken place. The final phase before the merge. Proof of stake is finally here after years and years and years since 2018. We'll see what the price does. In my opinion, shout out to Ahmed for commenting it down. But in my opinion, we will be doing a classic buy the rumor, sell the news. Eventually this will be bullish, but in the short term, once this happens, I think it will actually be a lot of sell pressure. Now, let's get to some announcements. Listen, y'all, I'm closing in on 500 subscribers on YouTube, and once that happens, I will be doing 1,500 H-bar giveaway. So I'm going to be doing 500 H-bar to the person that has the most word of the day correctly. So stay tuned till the end of the video, and I'm going to be giving out the word of the day. I'm going to be giving out 500 H-bar to the person that has the funniest comment, so go ahead and roast me. And I'm going to be doing 500 H-bar to the person that has the most meaningful added value comment. So if you want to speed up that process, go ahead, like this video, subscribe to the channel so we can get to 500 quicker, so I can give these giveaways faster, better. Let's go. All right, back to the news. Just in, Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin says merge proof of stake is expected to happen around the 13th through the 15th of September. Also, coincidentally, the same thing, the NFTs are going to be launching on XRP the same time, and maybe some surprise news from a settlement. Who knows? Every single day of XRP, we are one day closer to the settlement. Don't forget that. Ethereum Classic hits all-time high rate ahead of the merge. Again, you guys, all that hash power has to go somewhere. Ethereum Classic is going to be the winner of all the ASICs, in my opinion. Flux, Ravencoin, and Ergo are going to be the winners of the GPU mineable. So I think that all of those are going to surge, and all of those have been surging. Ravencoin has, within the last 24 hours, pumped back into the top 100, and Flux is at 111 the last I checked. Both of these are ASIC resistant, so they are for GPU mining. All that power has to go somewhere, and I keep saying one of the biggest whales of the market is in fact the miners. So you can't sleep on the miners. All right. U.S. economist Peter Schiff says Bitcoin holders better abandon ship at the bottom before bottom drops out. More and more bullish news for Bitcoin. Now, onto the top 100. We are sitting at 962 billion, and the biggest gainer on the day is Ethereum Classic. It has gained over 20% in the last. It was all the way up to 17. Absolutely crazy. 20% in the last 7 days, and really most of that was in the last 30 hours. Also, like I said, Ravencoin has pumped right back into not only the top 100, it is now sitting at 84. Ravencoin, you can still use some really small GPUs for that. I will be doing a mining video update, and I will be doing a MetaMask start to finish tutorial. Now, if you look here, though, I'm going to be doing all that for you guys. The biggest gainers on the day, kind of a red day, is Terra Classic USD and Ethereum Classic are the biggest gainers as well. Ravencoin in the top. Dude, Ravencoin up 38% in the last 7 days. Absolutely crazy. You love to see that. Now, the biggest losers, Nexo, H&T down 13%. Absolutely wild. This, in my opinion, is an absolute steal at $3.38. 8coin down to $4.48. Some crazy buys. EOS 140, Dash at 44, pretty crazy. Flow at $1.81. Chainlink just under $7. I couldn't quite see what it was. Now on to the crypto bubbles. The biggest winner of today in the top 100 are again Ethereum Classic because of the mining, Ravencoin because of the GPU mining, and Luna Classic because of the memes. Now, as you can see here, Flux is sitting at 112. This was in not even in the top 200 a month ago. So some serious over 100 million, which is a third. Actually, this was when Bitcoin first crashed. This was at 44 cents, so almost a 3x in just over a month. Yeah, 248% on the year. Absolutely crazy. And in my opinion, Flux is going to be one to look out for, as well as Ergo and Ravencoin for the GPU miners. Because, like I said, one of the biggest whales in the market that people just want to forget about is, in fact, the miners. Now, let's go on to the chart. Huge wick on the 5-hour to the downside. We've popped below this all-time high previously, and also Bitcoin dominance is about to break down. So in my opinion, when Bitcoin dominance breaks to the downside, that is super bullish for the beloved XRP. When this happens, it is in a flash. It's not like they send out memos. No, none of that. This to me looks like it is ready to pump. Now, and I told you guys for Bitcoin that once these two cross, so let's take a look at that on the it has officially crossed yet. That every time that had happened in the past, the bottom was in it. Ooh, yep. It looks like we have officially crossed. See a little bit of blue on the downside. So I'm not telling you that the bottom is in, but I'm telling you every time that this has happened on the weekly, the bottom was in, and it went sideways for between 10 to 12 weeks, and then it went parabolic again. So again, I'm not telling you that the bottom is in. I'm just saying that lots of stuff has happened before in the past, and the bottom was in when that happened. All right. I don't have any more money. Your account has been hacked. My MetaMask? Your bank account. Thank God. Bed Bath & Beyond CFO who jumped to his death was accused of a pump and dump scheme to inflate the company's stock value. Very tragic, very sad. No amount of money is worth anyone's life. So it's unfortunate about the company, but it's even more unfortunate that someone would jump to their death in these trying times. Now, breaking. Binance to remove USDC as a tradable asset on its platform beginning September 29th, 2022. Now, I read this article, and basically what they're going to do is merge all USDC, all USD, all USDT, and all BUSD. They're going to merge them all together for added liquidity in a seamless transition. So that means you should be able to just sell into USDC or USDT, go right into your bank account, vice versa. I don't know if this is a good move or a bad move. Time will tell on that, I guess. But it is a move, and it is definitely added liquidity so that a Terra USD type thing never happens again. So now all GPU miners after the merge. Raven, let's go. Breaking. Russia Central Bank agrees to legalize the use of Bitcoin and crypto in international trade. Really, really crazy. I know they're trying to sanction them on Swiss, and then alongside of that, they also Russian deputy minister of finance says they're working on platforms for cross-border settlement. So hashtag stablecoins. This looks like they're just completely trying to bypass the Swiss system, in my opinion. We'll see how this plays out. Now, breaking. Turkey officially inflation over 80% for the first time in 24 years. Absolutely wild, absolutely crazy. So that's the thing. Like, there's 21 million Bitcoin. That's it. Fiat, every single fiat currency ever, all of them, every single one of them throughout history, all of them have failed. And we expect ours to be different this time. I don't know. We'll see how that plays out. 400 million back into the wallets of El Salvador's. El Salvador's new Bitcoin wallets could cost Western Union 400 million a year. Absolutely crazy, and honestly, you love to see that. The more that goes into the people's accounts, the better, in my opinion. Onto the saucer swap. I've added the position of USDC wrapped in Hedera. I'm probably going to beef this up over 1,000. But I pretty much have 1,100 now. I'm trying to beef this up over 10,000. I've been using this for over a month now, and I absolutely love it. This is less than 12 hours, and I've already accumulated 26 sauce, 2 sauce here, 3 sauce, 1.6, 1, 6. So pretty crazy. I'm definitely going to keep adding to my position. I will be doing mostly stable coins. As the stable coins, the liquidity is actually pretty high. 24% for USDT to USDC, 29% USDC to DAO, and 38% for USDC to USDC. These are all stable coins, relatively low risk, but huge upside potential. So love to see that. I've definitely loved my experience with Sauce thus far. So now let's take a quick look over here at the GPU mining profitability, and on to that. Ethereum currently making $5.50 after electricity. Right behind that is Ravencoin, $4.34, and Flux right down here at $3.10. Now, if Flux just does a little double, that could be really big, because it would then be more profitable. Same thing for Ravencoin. What kind of, they have 3.28 terahash currently. What is Ethereum Classic? I'm not even seeing. Oh, here's Ethereum Classic. Very low, because they have a huge 50 terahash. That's crazy. 50 terahash. That's actually a lot, because Ethereum only has 900. So they really have like 20% of the network currently. Again, all of the ASICs, from my understanding, the application specific integrated computer system will be able to mine Ethereum Classic. However, they are useless for Ravencoin and all these other cryptocurrencies, which is why I think for the GPUs, Ravencoin and Flux will be the winner. But time will tell. Now, if you made it this far into the video, you are a real one, and I will shout you out if you comment down the word of the day, which is Flux. I appreciate every single one of you. If you guys appreciate me being back in the Bat Cave, go ahead and hit a like button, subscribe to the channel. I am back on the grind. One video a day from here on out. I appreciate every single one of you. If you want my exact content for what made me the millionaire mindset, the mastermind mindset. All that stuff is in my Patreon below. Follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, all of that jazz. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate every single one of you. That is it for this time. Peace, love, prosperity. God first. God bless. Out.
Hustling, 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 hustling. Every